beautiful people, it's Rakita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about a company that is going to allow you to get Fenty Beauty, you guys. You're going to be able to get Fenty Beauty, and there's other companies that you guys can get. And all you have to do is just make 4 payments in 6 weeks. So it's installment payments. It's called buy now, pay later. But this company is called Afterpay. So what you have to do is you have to just go ahead, sign up for the company. And when I signed up, they approved me for $600. And remember, there's other companies that you can do, but I just want to talk about Fenty Beauty just for those people that want to get the Fenty Beauty. If you're looking to just get any buy now, pay later, this video is for you too. You see how I go into Fenty Beauty? You just go into the company that you want to go ahead and get some items from. Now, again, you guys, I talk about credit, real estate, all those different things. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and then let me know if you guys have any questions down below, and I'll go ahead and answer them for you. But let's go right on into the video. I do not want to waste your time, so let's go ahead and do it. Okay, beautiful people, so this is the company that I was telling you about. It's called Afterpay. Now, remember, you're going to have to pay 4 interest-free payments over 6 weeks. So all you got to do is just buy something today. You're going to buy something today. You're going to make 1 payment today, and then in next 2 weeks, you're going to make another payment, and then 2 weeks after that, you're going to make another payment. And then after that, it's going to be your last payment in 2 more weeks. So they just go ahead and space out your next 3 payments over 2 weeks. But look at all the different companies, you guys. It's a Dick's Sporting Goods, Forever 21, DSW, Finish Line. And look, you guys, there's so many different companies that you guys can do. But again, just find that company that you want to purchase something from, and then go ahead and purchase that item from them. Now, I want to show you guys my account, but let me show you how it works. So all you gotta do is go ahead and click on how it works, and then they'll break down everything in regards to how this company works. So right now, you're going to shop now, pay later. It's the buy now, pay later thing, you guys. So with buy now, pay later, you buy something right now, and then you're going to pay later because you're going to break up those installment payments. So like they say, 4 installment payments with 0 interest. So you're going to basically pay what you actually, for what you actually bought. You're not going to pay any more. So your payment's going to be due every 2 weeks. You're not going to pay anything. Like, they don't charge you any fees, you guys. So definitely, this is a good company, you guys. And then you're going to have an instant approval decision. Now, like I told you guys, my cousin said that she got approved for $300, and then they actually gave her, after she paid off her first bill, they actually gave her $850. So definitely, you guys, I definitely think you guys should look into this. But let me show you guys what my account looks like. So this is my account right here. I'm already logged in, but they saying, hey, Rakita, hey, I'm approved for $600, you guys. So just imagine when I buy something and I pay it off, like how much I'm going to actually get an increase. But I'm going to buy something tonight, you guys. So I will let you know how much it increased to. I will make another I'll make another video. And then here's the payment schedule, you guys. But, I don't have any payments right now, so there's nothing here. My account, help, and then log out. Now, listen, we want to go ahead and purchase those items. So for you to sign up so that you can even have an account, what I want you to do is go back here and then click sign up. But after you click sign up, they're going to ask for your email address, and then they're going to ask for your phone number because they want to verify you, and then they're going to ask you a few other questions. Go ahead and complete those steps so that you can get your account. After you get your account, you guys, all I want you to do is go ahead and click shop now. Now, after you click shop now, all you have to do is just find that company that you want to purchase something from, and then complete the checkout. So let's go ahead and find our company, and then we'll just go from there. Okay, you guys, so I want to buy something from Fenty Beauty. So let's go ahead and find Fenty Beauty, and you can go ahead and just search it here. But I like to I know it's down here. So let's go ahead and click it. So let's click visit. Now, remember, I have a $600 limit, so I can buy something for the full $600. But this is the thing I always want everybody to know. If I buy something like for the full $600, in 6 weeks, I'm going to have to give up that $600 total. But right now, I'm going to have to pay 25%, which 25% of 600 would be $75. So I pay $75 today, and then in 2 weeks, I'll pay another $75, and for the next, 3 weeks, and then it'll be paid off. So I'm not going to do that because $75 every 2 weeks. And I know it sounds like it's small, but it's like, dang, that you add that up, that's $150 a month. That's extra bill. So make sure you guys get what you can actually purchase. Like, you can purchase right now if you wanted to, but you're just not going to do it. You know what I mean? But just go ahead and find what you want to find. I get you guys the spiel. I want you guys to understand that because you getting them access to your accounts and stuff like that so that you can get things you don't want to mess up. So let's go ahead and buy something. So let's go to and I already have something in the cart here for the $50. but I could add something else on here. Now they have different things that you can go ahead and add as you see. So let's just go ahead and just add this to the cart. So let's do a quick view. And then add to bag. And now I have $63 in the bag. Now, I just wanted to do that so you guys can see what that look like. Let me go ahead and click view bag. Now, when I click view bag, these are the items that I said I was going to purchase. Now, look, they're saying that I will have to pay $15.75 using Afterpay, you guys. And you see, too, I wouldn't have any shipping costs with them, which is good. Thank you, Fenty Beauty. Thank you, Rihanna. I just love you so much. But look, you guys, I only have to pay $15. Now, I like that. Now, it's $30 a month, about, so I really like that. It's not an extra bill, and I don't want my clients or anybody that watch me just get all these extra bills for nothing, So $15 right now, and then every 2 weeks for 3 weeks, I have to pay $15.75. Now, let me show you what it looked like when I had just just this alone, because they break that down for you. So here it is here, you guys. Now, look, this is when I just had that one item in there. I didn't add the other thing. I didn't add the mascara onto it. So it's $50.50. And they said I had $13.13 I need to pay every 2 weeks for 4 weeks. Well, for 4 payments. Now, today I would have to pay $13.13, which is why they're asking for my card information at the bottom. And then 2, look here, they're going to break up the next payment. So December 29th, I have another payment, January 12th, and then January 26th. Now, remember, this is going to come out of off of this card. So just make sure you have that money available. You do not want overdraft fees. You do not want any of that going on with your account, because now you're like, you're going to have more problems, more things you have to pay for. So I do not want you guys to do that. Now, I heard some people say, let me make myself there, you guys, but I heard some people say, like, when they actually got this account, when they got the account, they actually got a reminder from them, letting them know, hey, your bill is going to be due in 48 hours. Even a week before, they'll let you know, hey, your bill is going to be due in a week. Get ready for it. So just make sure you guys are paying your bills on time, like seriously pay your bills on time, and that will really help you. Make sure that you get that extra increase. Don't forget, I told you guys, they will give you an increase. My cousin started off with $300. She paid her bill off, and then they put her to $850. That's a lot. That's a $550 increase when she started with $300. So go ahead and do that. And don't forget, I have the other video telling you guys about Sezzle too, you guys. It's just like this, but I got approved for only $200 that account, but they had to look into my bank, but I got approved for $200. And when I paid it off, they jumped me to $400. So definitely check that out, you guys. And if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and drop them down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, you guys, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, definitely go ahead and let me know. I'm always here for you guys. Now, remember, I always told you guys, like, click these 2 videos right here. You're going to see these 2 videos pop up. Click the videos, and make sure you click right here where you see where it says subscribe. Make sure you guys share this video with some of your family members, and that's going to help you make sure I get pushed out to see other people. Other people will be able to see me, and that'll be great, you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.